Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how you can recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. Now this video will apply to pretty much any Ford Mustang. The only difference will be the location of the low pressure charging port, right? So if you have a V8 engine or if you have a newer model, the only difference will be the location of the low pressure charging port. Now on this one, the low pressure port will be just down here under the battery, right? And this one here, this is the high pressure port, and if you're doing it by yourself, you will only use the low pressure. I will also add this is the option if you are tight on a budget and you cannot afford taking the vehicle to a professional shop to recharge the air conditioner, because they can use the professional equipment, they can connect to high pressure and low pressure ports, they can evacuate the system and recharge it, right? But like I said, if you're on a budget and that's quite expensive, you can buy this AC recharge kit, which usually comes with the AC recharge hose and two cans, and you can connect this hose to the low pressure port, then you can connect one of the cans to the other side of the hose and recharge it by yourself. Now you can buy these AC recharge kits pretty much anywhere, any car parts store, online, Amazon, eBay, or I've even seen them in grocery stores this summer, so pretty much everybody is selling those. Usual price around $50, $60, $70 depending on the store, but the good thing is you can reuse this hose as many times as you wish on any vehicle, so you only have to buy these cans for each recharge, and each can is around $5-6. Okay, so I will also show you, there is supposed to be a sticker right here, and which will show you the amount of refrigerant that goes into the system, right? So you have a separate table for V6 or a V8, and on this vehicle it's pretty much the same, 21 ounce or 1.31 pounds, right? 0.60 kilograms. And now if you check these cans, you will also see right here it says this is one can is equal to 454 grams of R134A, which is 0.45 kilograms, right? And the maximum charge is 0.60 kilograms. So that means if the system is completely empty, you have to add one can and a bit of the other can to get to the full charge. Also, while charging, you want to make sure not to get into the red, because if you overcharge the system, you risk damaging the AC compressor. So ideally, you want to be under 50 psi, right? So in the blue or the yellow, so somewhere around here. Okay, now to start, first you want to screw the can to this side of the hose. Once that is done, you will connect the other side of the hose to the low pressure charging port, which is down there. So first you want to remove this cap, right? And then the hose will just snap on. So just want to lift this sleeve up and it will attach to the port, right? And now the last thing to do, you want to turn this knob all the way in to pierce the can. And once that is done, everything is ready and you can start the vehicle and turn on the AC and set the AC settings to the coolest and fan speed to the highest setting. Turn on the AC. You want to set the air circulation inside the cabin as well. Actually, you can press the max AC and turn the fan to the highest speed. And that's it. Now I will proceed outside to show you how to charge it. Now I will show you what you have to do. The engine is quite loud, so I hope you'll be able to hear me. You want to slowly start releasing the knob on the can. Just take that time, this doesn't have to Now when I'm halfway done, I like to get inside the vehicle and just try to get a feel if the air being blown is any colder. If it is, that means this is working, and I will continue filling. Also make sure to keep checking the gauge on the hose, right, because you don't want to overcharge it. In my case, I will empty that can, and that should be enough. Once you're done and happy with the results, you can disconnect everything, and don't forget to put the cap back onto the port, right? Now, if you have to add one more can, you will do the same thing like I showed you in the beginning. First you will disconnect this one, and then you will screw on the new can. You will connect the low pressure charging port, then you will pierce the can, and then you will start the engine and turn on the AC and start charging it, right? Once again, you always want to make sure you don't go over 50 psi. That should be good enough. Maybe 55 if it's really hot outside, but don't go over that. I will mention once again, this is what you can do in case you are tight on budget and you cannot afford a professional mechanical shop to recharge and inspect your AC system. All this will work out for you if there is no leaks in the AC lines and if the AC compressor is working. If you have some leak or the faulty AC compressor, the vehicle will have to go to a shop to be properly diagnosed and fixed. In case of a small leak, there is also a special AC sealant, which is also in a can like this, very similar to this one. Then you can recharge the AC using that, and that can take care of some minor leaks, but eventually you will have to get your AC system fixed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.